In the previous video, we learnt about the graphs of electrostatics, and today we will be seeing the graph of current electricity. So first, Ohm's law. V versus I graph, we get a straight line and the slope V upon I will give you resistance. Now there are some non-ohmic devices which do not obey Ohm's law. That is, potential difference may vary non-linearly with current. So first let us see this graph, non-ohmic conductor, V versus I graph. Till here it is obeying the Ohm's law, but now there is a bend in the curve. So it's not obeying Ohm's law over here. Second part, semiconductors. In semiconductors, we can see in the forward bias, it is going in this manner, and in reverse bias, it is going in this manner. Again, it is not obeying the Ohm's law. Now, coming to gallium arsenide. This curve, this is very important for your examination. Sometimes it comes to mention the nonlinear region and negative resistance region. So I have mentioned it over here. Till here it is linear, it obeys Ohm's law. Here it has curve, so it does not obey Ohm's law, and this is the negative resistance region. Back to diameter. Now we know that R is equal to rho L upon A. Area of wire pi r square, and then instead of R we can write D upon 2 because we have to find the resistance of wire with respect to diameter. So it comes out to be 4 rho L upon pi D square. That means that R is inversely proportional to D square. So on plotting the graph of R versus D, again we are getting a hyperbola over here. Dependence of resistivity. First we will see for metals. Alpha temperature coefficient is positive over here. Rho increases with increase in temperature. And we plot a graph of rho and T. This is the graph shown over here. This is for metallic conductor like copper. Now coming to semiconductors. Rho decreases with increase in temperature. See, the plot of rho versus T. We get this type of graph. Then for alloys. Rho is very large, but temperature dependence is less. If the graph is plotted rho versus T, we get a straight line over here. So these are the graphs of temperature dependence of resistivity. Activity with temperature for metallic wire. If we plot a graph of sigma versus T, then we get again a hyperbola. Now graph of terminal voltage versus resistance. Terminal potential difference is equal to E minus IR, where E is your EMF, I is your current, and R is your internal resistance. And if we plot a graph of terminal voltage versus external resistance R, we get this type of graph. Now, in the same graph, if it is asked to mark EMF, then the EMF will be right over here. And now if I plot a graph of V, that is terminal voltage versus current I, then it will be a straight line in this manner. Now potentiometer, working principle, potential drop along the wire is directly proportional to length of the wire. That is, V is directly proportional to L, and if we remove this proportionality sign, we put a constant of proportionality called K, which is known as potential gradient. So K is equal to V upon L. Now question is here children, if the area of cross section of the wire increases uniformly from one end to the other, potential gradient would vary as the length of the wire increases from one end. Plot a graph of K versus area of cross section. So we will plot a graph by putting K in y-axis and area along the x-axis. So now K equals to V upon L. Now what is V from Ohm's law children? Yeah, IR. So IR upon L. Now we know that R is equal to rho L upon A, where rho is called the, yes, resistivity. this value of R over here, we get K equals to I rho L upon A divided by L. So we will get over here I rho upon A. L and L will cancel here. So this means that K is inversely proportional to area of cross section of the wire. So while plotting a graph, what will be the nature of the graph? It will be going in this manner. So this will be a parabola. So children, in current electricity, we came across many types of graphs. It must be very clear to you all, but practice this for your examination, and the next class we will be learning about the other graphs. Thank you.